Looking for a power cord that fits snugly into tight spaces without sacrificing reliability? Tripp Lite's universal computer power cord is designed specifically for devices with C14 inputs, like monitors, printers, and desktop computers. Its left-angle C13 connector makes it easy to connect in cramped areas, while the straight 5 to 15P plug fits standard wall outlets effortlessly. I recently swapped out my old, bulky power cord for this model when setting up a compact Mini-ITX case. The difference was clear right away. The cord's flexibility made routing it around tight corners simple, and the angled connector kept the cable flush against the device, saving valuable desk space and preventing strain on the connection. This power cord isn't just about convenience, it's built to last. Featuring 318 Aruban fluorines conductors rated for 10 amps, it delivers consistent power without overheating. The molded connectors include strain relief to protect against wear and tear, ensuring a secure, long-lasting connection no matter how often you plug and unplug. What sets the P006-00613LA apart is its thoughtful design for tight installations. The angled C13 connector guides the cable parallel to your device, allowing it to sit closer to walls or inside crowded setups. This means less clutter, less stress on cables, and a cleaner, more professional look for your workspace. Tripp Lite backs this cord with a lifetime warranty, reflecting confidence in its quality and durability. Plus, it meets strict RoHS standards, showing the brand's commitment to environmental responsibility. So you're not only investing in performance but also in a product that aligns with sustainable practices. If you've struggled with power cords that don't fit or fail quickly, this is a solid solution worth considering. It's perfect for replacing worn-out or missing cords and works seamlessly with laptops, desktops, and peripherals alike. The combination of flexibility, durability, and smart design makes it a reliable choice for any setup. Ready to simplify your power connections and protect your devices? Try Tripp Lite's universal computer power cord when you're ready to upgrade. It's a straightforward way to improve your workspace, reduce cable clutter, and ensure a steady power supply without hassle.